Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando with our book page number 107, and we have these pictures. We are going to put the numbers like the ones in the audio. So let's listen the little song. It's like a song, so let's listen to it.
Track 73. Number 1.
Number 1.
What is it? What is it? It's yellow and hot. It's the sun.
It's yellow and hot. What is it? It's the sun. Vamos a ponerle el number 1 a ese cuerpo. The sun.
Number 2.
What is it? What is it? It's bright. It's bright. It's a star.
It's a star. Oh, number 2.
Number 3.
Now,
What
number 3.
is it? What is it? It's white and it's very cold.
It's white. It burns and is really, really cold.
It's snow.
It's snow. Okay. Number 3 goes there.
Number 4.
What is it? What is it? It's big and round. It's the moon.
Oh, it's big and round. It's the moon. Okay. Bueno, ese es el number 4. Remember, we are talking about these things: sun, stars, snow, moon. Okay. Bueno, así completamos nuestro ejercicio. Nos vemos el día Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.